Meet Director for the Milo Western Relays, Ray Harvey, is prepared to take a wait-and-see approach before being definitive in his assessment of the proposed plans for the development of the Montego Bay Sports Complex. On Monday, the St. James Municipal Corporation announced that the bid submitted by the Montego Bay Multisports Development Limited was chosen to lease the complex for 25 years, subject to final approval by the relevant bodies. Harvey, who spoke with TVJ Sports on Tuesday, reacted to the announcement.
When the proposed projects are put in place, to me this will be the most significant contribution to the development of sports in Montego Bay since I've been here. It's too early for me to make realistic or meaningful plans or suggestions.
Meanwhile, Yoni Epstein, who heads the Montego Bay Multisports Development Limited, says his entity's planned development of the Montego Bay Sports Complex should help to pave the way for the city to resume hosting top sporting events.
We've seen where a lot of the national and world championships have been born out of the West, and due to the lack of facilities, they have transcended to Kingston. So the fact that we are starting the renaissance of top class sports in the West is a very proud moment. So it's a lot of work, it's a lot of responsibility, a lot to take on for all of us who are affiliated with the project, but we feel very confident that we are the right custodians for the job and ones that will do the city and the western region of Jamaica proud.
Montego Bay Multisports Development Limited plans to spend just under 700 million Jamaican dollars to transform the Catherine Hall-based facility into a multi-sports complex.